Let's talk about our children using some positive adjectives. Let me read some examples. The teacher thinks that my son is bright. My daughter is very enthusiastic about learning to play the piano. These girls are creative. My girls are very affectionate. My kids and their friends are playful. My boy is very inquisitive. My son is learning to be confident. My 5-year-old son is very thoughtful. Thoughtful. Life in the village isn't very comfortable. Luckily, my children are adaptable. Lila, my daughter, is independent. She prepares her own breakfast. Let's see what's the meaning of bright or smart. Bright is smart. Enthusiastic is eager, excited. Creative, able to make new things. Affectionate, loving, caring, warm. Playful, lively, cheerful, merry. Inquisitive, curious, interested. Confident, someone who is positive, sure, assured. Thoughtful, kind, helpful, friendly. Adaptable, able or willing to change in order to suit a different condition or different conditions. Independent, able or willing to do things for oneself. Independent. Now let's have a conversation. I'll give a short answer just to give you an example. Is your child independent? Why do you say so? Yes, my child is very independent. She can go to school by herself. I don't need to drop her off or pick her up. How about your child? Is your child independent? Why do you say so? You can pause the video and think of an answer, and then you can also record your answer to see if there's something that you need to improve on. How about that? All right, we can now move on to the next question. Or you can also write your responses, right? Okay, remember, practice makes perfect. Next question. Is your child adaptable? Why do you say so? Yeah, I think my child is very adaptable. When we went to the village, there was no electricity, but yeah, she was still enjoying her life. So I think she's pretty much adaptable. How about your child? Is your child adaptable? Why do you say so? Next question. Is your child thoughtful? Why do you say so? My child isn't that thoughtful. It was my birthday yesterday, but he didn't remember to greet me. So my child isn't that thoughtful. He has to learn this virtue. How about your child? Is your child thoughtful? Why do you say so? Next question. Is your child enthusiastic about school? Why do you say so? I would say that my child is very enthusiastic about school. She's excited to go to school every day and she doesn't want to miss any school day. How about your child? Does she feel the same thing or does he feel the same thing? Let us know. All right. Is your child confident? Why do you say so? I think my child is pretty confident. She loves singing in front of people. She loves performing in front of people. So I think that would prove that she's confident. How about your child? Is your child confident? Why do you say so? Let's move on now to the next question. Is your child inquisitive? Why do you say so? Yeah, I think my child is inquisitive because she likes to go on the internet to search for answers if she has questions and she's not satisfied of things that I say, then she goes on the internet and search for a better answer. So, yeah, inquisitive she is. How about your child? The last but not the least question, is your child affectionate? Why do you say so? I think my child is a little bit reserved. She's actually not a hugger person, so I think she needs to learn to be more affectionate because it will do her good to be able to express her love for others. How about your child? Is your child affectionate? Why do you say so? That's it. Please do not forget to subscribe.